Today we have a Virtus which the customer has come to us for retuning your car. This project is important for any car audio lover. The reason being is it is not about only the installation. It is about the installation as well as tuning the car when you are going to install your car with the DSP. The entire story of this customer is that he is installed an Audition C2 on the front side, C2 on the back side, and an active subwoofer APB-X10AS2 for the bass frequency, but he had just installed a Forza C4.10. The installation was not done properly and there was not much power to the mid bass as well. On going through the complete installation, we have suggested the customer to change few things. What we have suggested is the wiring, as well as we have also suggested to add an extra amplifier to power the mid bass from an amplifier and all the tweeters from the DSP. In this, the main purpose of the video is not purchasing of an item, it is about suggesting a correct configuration to the customer, installation and the tuning. We have reworked the complete car. I'll be showing you the visuals of the before as well as after. We have done the RTA tuning for the entire car for each individual drivers, and I will be showing the visuals of the same. If you have a car where you have also done the installation of a DSP, you want to rework on that, including the RTA tuning, you can visit RS CAR Modifiers. We at RS CAR Modifiers have technicians who have done different courses, including me, to tune your car on real time. We also will play you some of the music snippets which after the tuning which we have retrieved from the car. If you have a car looking for a new installation or rework on an old installation, you can visit RS CAR Modifiers or call the number given below. To know more about this, visit our showroom which is in BTM layout opposite to the Gopalan Mall, or call to the number and get a good suggestion to get a beautiful audio in your car.